Hello, my name is James and I'm a product specialist at Marin Acura. Today I'm going to show you how to use the navigation system in a 2025 Acura RDX. So, with the touchpad, as you know, it's one-to-one positioning. Wherever my finger is on the touchpad is where it will be on the screen. So I'm going to select navigation, continue offline, find, and then select search, and you can either talk to the car, use the keyboard, or type it in right here.
Space.
I'm going to just tell the car what I want. "155 Anderson Drive, San Rafael." And see, there it showed up, 155 Anderson Drive. And then we can select go.
Now turn left.
And that's how you use the navigation system in a 2025 Acura RDX.